Events like today are very, very important. They spur an entrepreneurial spirit and show opportunities for young startups and founders to get financing for their ideas. It is the premier event to bring in investors not only from here in the region but from all over Germany and make them aware that Leipzig and our surroundings are worthwhile to visit and to invest into our young talent.
Hi, I'm Beatrice from Munich Venture Partners. It's actually my first day here at the Investors Day, and I was part of the first jury session, and I was very, very surprised to see how well the startups were prepared. And even though they only had 6 minutes for their pitches, they really covered each and every topic. So I have to admit that I think in the case of 2 startups, I really had to think about the questions I will be asking, because you simply cannot go really into the detail, but then you still have some questions that you want to cover, but I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I'm really excited about the first round of pitches. So far we've heard 9 very different ideas, very well thought through. The pitches were really, really professional, so I'm super excited for round number 2.
So the networking events here at the Investors Day have been really helpful for us, because our startup Dash Factory is at the beginning, so we need another seed financing. We are here to talk to investors, and this is really helpful for us, and I'm looking forward to meet another investor yet.
Just piece of heaven. Piece of heaven.
So speaking from the perspective of an event organiser myself in the matchmaking sphere, I have to say that I'm really, really impressed today with what SpinLab have achieved in such a short space of time. I've had 21 meetings of 10 minutes each across the course of the day, only one no-show, and I've gathered I've made a huge amount of valuable connections and really, really happy.